Hey guys, my name's Steve, and in this video I'm going to show you very quickly how to install an SSL certificate for your WordPress website on SiteGround. I nearly messed that up then, but I got through it. And I'll just show you how to do that. But before you get started, remember that this is part of my full SiteGround WordPress website tutorial. So please check out the link that's in the description below or at the end of this video to get the full help guide that I can walk you through every step. So do that after you watch this video, and if you find something new or learn something from this video, give us a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you in another video soon. Enjoy. So to get to the SSL certificate option, you can see I am logged in to my SiteGround account, and if I go to websites, then site tools, if you come over here, security, and we go to HTTPS enforce. Now, have you ever seen on websites when they don't have this little padlock icon and it says, in this case, it's secure, which is great. But if it says it's not secure, sometimes it can cause problems. Google doesn't like it. It's really not great. And it tries to block you from getting in. So what we do to avoid that, first of all, click HTTPS enforce, click get SSL. And you can see information about what that certificate does. Again, really strongly recommended. And simply click Let's Encrypt and get. Might take a little while. It's been a few seconds. I'm just going to pause again. Okay, and you should see this success message and also that it says status active, which is great. And that's it. You've got your secure website up and running, no more issues. Now remember, again, check out the full SiteGround WordPress tutorial for beginners. I'll show you. You can see the link here and also in the description below this video. Give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you in another video very soon. Thanks for watching.